Okay, so each panel's now been untacked. Got the top track away from the middle sill now. I've got all the top hat sections drilled out, ready for plug weld into the cargo floor. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give everything a coat that I can't get to at a later date. A little coat of rust preventative paint, so everything inside the top hat sections, the sides of the sills that I can't see, inside the jacking points that I won't be able to get to, all going to get a coat of Por 15 rust preventative. So I've got the whole works here. I've got cleaner degreaser, wipe all the panels down. Got the metal prep pre-primer, and not necessarily for the inside of the sections. I just showed you, but I've got a top coat, so probably use some of that on the beetle as well, actually, on the floor pan. So I've got to be quite selective on where I paint, so I don't want to, for example, I don't want to paint that because I want the welds to adhere as strongly as I can. So that's the metal prep, Por 15 metal prep, put on the panels, and I've got to let that go for 30 minutes. Let it do its thing, etch the metal, and lucky enough I found a little tin of Por 15 in the cupboard, so I won't have to break open the big boy. Got a few of the panels drying out now. The sills are drying out over there. I've just put the top hat sections underneath the bus, although I've painted them, so that was a bit of a bad idea on my part, but I just went to size a few things up, and I think I'm going to get on with cutting a bit of the chassis rail up, get that sorted. Okay, so just cut the chassis repair panel in, and it's a little bit short at this tail end here. So it was a shop bought panel. I've still got a little bit left of it, so I'm just going to take the end of it off here and add it to there. And the same again up the front, just a little section needs to be let in, but I will weld it to the repair piece first and then into the actual chassis rail. That's the completed chassis rail repair. Just had to extend both ends of it so it could fit. Just a little sliver of metal in there, a little longer section there, so see if it fits. Still hot to touch at the moment. To do when doing any metal work and need to file or grind anything down, always usually use a 60 grit belt on my power file, but once they start to wear down and get a little bit less coarse, then I put them to one side and I save them up just for these jobs for rust removal, because they're not as coarse. It's just getting rid of that first layer. Just had to take a little bit more off of the edges of the repair panel that I've done just to make it fit, but seems to be all lining up now, so I'll tack that in and then get it welded up fully.